Hello and welcome to the blended version of English 92 and English 95. In this blended course, 30% of the course will be conducted face-to-face in a classroom and 70% of the course will be conducted online. This brief video tour will guide you through our Brightspace site for the blended course so that you understand where to find things. Let's start with the home page. Anytime your instructor posts announcements, they will be right here on the home page. Your teacher and your classmates can create posts here in the activity feed. You can post, add comments, or ask questions in the activity feed anytime. Under the activity feed is the content browser. The first folder is called Start Here Welcome. This folder includes the video tour, a welcome letter that your instructor wrote to you, information about the required textbook, support and resources, and course outcomes. Go to the welcome letter and read through that first. If possible, you should print off that letter and keep it in your notes because it'll include information about how to contact your instructor and other important details. The Start Here folder also includes a picture of the textbook, which is available at the ACM bookstore and will include an access code that you'll need to register from MindTap. MindTap is the online software that we use in the course. In addition, you will find details about technical support and resources in the Start Here folder, as well as a detailed list of the course outcomes. Let's see what else is in the course in the content browser. Click the course home on the top left-hand corner to go back to the home page. Then scroll down to the content browser. Under the Start Here folder, you will see a folder for the syllabus and activity calendar, learning units, meet your instructor, technical support links, ACM student help desk, course technology accessibility statements, and privacy policies. Let's click the syllabus and activity calendar folder. You will definitely want to print out and keep the activity calendar for the course because this is where all of your assignments are listed. Printing out the syllabus and reading it thoroughly is also an excellent idea. The activity calendar is color-coded. Everything in yellow is related to a writing assignment. Everything in green is a MindTap assignment. Everything in blue is an assignment in Brightspace. Click the home icon to go back to the beginning of the content browser. Now let's take a look at those learning units. This is where you will find all 16 units for the course. The 16 learning units correspond with the 16 weeks of the semester. Each learning unit and week begins on Monday and ends on the next Sunday. So Learning Unit 2 occurs in week 2 of the semester, which is August 31st through September 6th. Let's look at how each learning unit is set up. In Unit 2, you'll see a list of items in that unit. First, each unit lists the objectives. In other words, what you will be able to do at the end of that unit. For Unit 2, you'll practice pre-writing, note-taking, you'll complete an assignment in MindTap, and you'll begin analyzing word parts. Underneath the objectives are the outcomes that correspond with the grades you'll earn. Let's go back to Unit 2 and scroll down. As you scroll down through the folder of Unit 2, you'll see a link that takes you to the ebook for Chapter 1. Next is a video on how to take Cornell notes, also known as two-column notes. There's a transcript for the video right under the video link. Next is a reading assignment for Chapter 1 with a reflecting activity right under it. The reflecting activity is a quiz in MindTap that will count as a grade in Brightspace. Next, we have a video from the MindTap video library that describes brainstorming as a pre-writing strategy. The video includes an interactive link, an interactive quiz, which also counts as a grade. Next is a link to Chapter 2 in the ebook. Under the link to Chapter 2 is a practice test on Chapter 2 that will count as a grade. As you can see, Learning Unit 2 is very full. At different times in the course, you will use discussion boards, and those are located in the Discussions tab at the top of the Brightspace homepage. Your first discussion board assignment is due in week 1. Under Course Tools, you will find Grades, which allows you to see the grades you have earned throughout the semester. If you have any questions about your grades at any time, please don't hesitate to reach out to your teacher and ask. Speaking of your instructor, don't forget to check out the brief bio about your instructor in the Content Browser folder called Meet Your Instructor. And finally, the last 4 tabs in the Content Browser are technical support links and course accessibility statements and privacy policies. Now that you know your way around our Brightspace site, you're off to a great semester in your blended course. If you have any questions about navigating Brightspace, just email your instructor to get a quick answer.